Samsung has announced that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be formally unveiled later this month, at the Galaxy Unpacked event. The new high-end and foldable smartphones will allegedly have new cameras and display technologies, as well as fixes for some of the most often reported problems with them in the past. Here is what we know about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 so far. We compiled all of the leaks and rumors into one spot to provide you a full overview of what we anticipate to see in the next premium flagship, as well as the pricing, availability characteristics, display, camera, and battery information we know so far. The Galaxy Fold 5 will allegedly have virtually identical dimensions to last year's Galaxy Z Fold 4. According to rumors, Samsung may employ a water drop-shaped hinge design, which will finally allow the device to seal entirely shut, eliminating the requirement for a gap in the center of the device when folded. Aside from the new hinge mechanism, the Fold 5 will allegedly feature the same screens as the Fold 4 and the same camera island on the back with 3 sensors. The fingerprint sensor, power button, and volume rocker will remain on the device's right side, while the dual speaker system will almost probably return on the 2023 flagship. Because the Fold 5 will not have a dedicated S Pen slot, we may expect a comparable first-party case from Samsung to accompany the flagship with the designs. The new flagship will also keep its IPX8 water resistance certification and be water resistant. According to reports, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have the same 6.2-inch cover display and 7.6-inch main screen on the inside and outside, implying that Samsung would maintain the aspect ratio while extending the width. While the size may remain the same this year, Samsung is rumored to use a new water drop-shaped hinge mechanism that could make the craze list visible. The new hinge won't make the crease go away or make it less obvious, but it may help make the device slimmer and, eventually, gapless. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.